Okay, in this video, I want to play around with Bootstrap a little bit and just kind of play with some stuff here and see what we can see. So first things first, I'm going to head back. Let's go ahead and close some of these. We don't need open anymore. Now, minimize some of these. Okay, so now we want to go to App, Views, and then Layouts, and then Application.html. And this is the main page of our website. Every time a website gets generated or gets loaded in our app, this page gets called. And then the page itself gets kind of smushed into this yield tag. So this is our index page, right? Essentially what Rails does is it grabs this stuff, copies it, and then sort of outputs it right here whenever the page is rendered on a website. It outputs it where this yield tag is, right? And it does that for every page we ever create. So what that means is if you make a change on this page, for instance, my site, right? If you make a change on this page, it'll be reflected on every page of our site. You can see up here, it says my site, right? Let's go back and I can change this to my web site. Save this, come back here and hit reload. Boom, it says my website up there. So very cool. So the first thing I want to do is right here, I want to wrap this whole thing in a div with a class of container. And this is just a Bootstrap thing that we'll see what happens here. What that does is it just sort of pushes everything over a little bit. See? And I like that better, so we'll go ahead and leave that like that. So let's look at Bootstrap and come over to the documentation. And what we want is layouts, content, and components. So I'm going to start in components. And these are just all the things in Bootstrap. So there's alerts, there's buttons, cards. What else is good? Jumbotron. So let's play with this Jumbotron real quick. So to use this, we just click copy to copy this code and then head back wherever we want to use this. So let's put this on our index page. And instead of hello world and all that stuff, let's just paste in this Jumbotron. And I'm going to type here, going to remove this text and put this is my very first Ruby on Rails web page, right? And then right here, let's say what? Pretty cool. Not really Canadian, but. Okay, so now if we save this, come back to our website and just, oops, wrong website. There we go. And just click reload, boom, we get this hello world. And let's see, let's go back again to our application. And inside of here, let's just put a line break. Let's save this. Okay, so looking a little better. And now we have this Jumbotron. Now this button doesn't go anywhere, of course, because we haven't told it to. But just that easy to add things from Bootstrap. That's why everyone loves Bootstrap. It's just sort of copy and paste, right? This button, here's the button code right here. Right? We saw these buttons earlier. So BTN, BTM primary. If we come back here to buttons, we can see there's primary, secondary, success, danger. So if we want to change it to a green button, we just come over here to stuff and change it to success. I think that's what it was. Up here, hit reload, boom, now it's green. Just that easy. Very, very cool. So this is Bootstrap. In the next video, I think we'll add a little nav bar. That should be kind of cool. And then go on from there.